Hello beautiful besties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree, welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back besties. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing from Dior. My favorite colors. Oh my gosh you guys, this is such a beautiful package. Thank you Dior for collaborating with me on today's video. I truly appreciate you. If you are in need of holiday gift sets, holiday gift guides, I've got you covered in this video. Dior has some of the beautiful, most luxurious packaging ever. Yes, I did say it, and I'm highly contemplating getting their advent calendar this year. I've been looking at it online. I keep contemplating it. I got to make up my mind soon or it's going to be gone. So I do want to point you to the description box where I am going to have all of their different offerings, promos that they are running right now if you're in need of picking up anything. As I was perusing on the website, you guys, they had so many different offerings, whether it was fragrance, whether it was makeup. You know I am a huge lover of the Dior lip glow, the Dior lip oil, all of their blushes, all of their fragrances I absolutely love. I have so many of their fragrances, so many of their, products that I just absolutely swear by. One of my favorite fragrances currently at the moment is the new one from Dior that was created with Francis Kurkdjian and Dior. You guys, I absolutely love this fragrance. Full dedicated review to it on my channel. It is so good and it mixes so well with so many other fragrances. To me, it could be worn year round. It's a luxury fragrance. Also, like I said, if you were looking for like sets that you wanted to get, like with the body cream as well as the fragrance, check on their website. They have so many different gift guide options for you. Engraving is huge right now. They're doing engravings. I would say get those orders in early so that you have it by Christmas. You can get the names engraved. You can get initials engraved. There's so many different options that they have. Another one that I would recommend would be Rose and Roses. I picked this up when I went to one of the events and it's absolutely a favorite. It's so girly, so feminine, and it's a little bit sexy at the same time. So definitely check their website. Let's get into this unboxing. Anytime you order from Dior, you guys, you are going to get a luxury experience to your doorstep. I love it because when I order, I always go online. You are able, say for instance, you were gonna get a blush or you were gonna get a lipstick or some type of makeup or something, even I believe the foundation, you are able to put your camera to their camera. I don't know how it's done, okay, because I don't know all that technology, but you're able to do it and you can try the lipsticks on right from the comfort of your own home. I really love that. That is a huge perk you're able to try on. I believe it was a blush I tried on. I tried on so many different things, so that I really do love. Also, when you are ordering with Dior, if you're a Dior Beauty member, you do receive complimentary gifts as well. I also received 2 complimentary gifts with my order this time. I received 2 fragrance samples. This is a great way to try fragrances before you buy them. So I did receive one Miss Dior and Dior Lore, the one that I just spoke to you about. I love this because I will be taking this on vacation with me. They're great to just throw in your travel bag, throw in your gym bag and keep it going. And then it comes in this cute little dust pouch. And I tell you guys that I use these all the time for traveling or for putting my jewelry in or whatever I feel the need to put in. It's really good for that. So let's get into the packaging. I was stoked. I was stoked at the color of the box. You know I am a white and gold girl, black and gold, white and gold, but this color right here, I absolutely love it. This is a beauty ritual here that I did receive. It's Dior Addict pouch. It also comes with a lip gloss, a lipstick, a little mini perfume, and it also comes with, I believe, a hand cream. So let's go inside and see what I did get. This is online. They have one on there too in the color of cream or white, and I know it's gonna get so dirty, but I still want it. You guys, I love these little pouches. I am an attention to detail kind of gal. I love these pouches. On the side here you have the beautiful gold buttons. Blue and gold is really gorgeous, and it just says Dior on the buttons, or the zippers I should say, as well. So you open this up and inside, now this is perfect. Like I said, if you do a lot of traveling, if you just want to put some stocking stuffers in someone's stocking stuff this year, yeah, right? Put some stocking stuffers in somebody's stocking this year. This is a way to do it. I tell you all the time, I love this lip. This is a lip glow here. I absolutely love this. And then I also love this lip Dior oil as well. It's like a lip gloss. It comes with a nice spoolie that comes out like that. You're able to put this in here. So this is really good. And it's like a nudie pink kind of color. Like it's very nudie pink. It's almost clear. I mean, if you see, I just put a little bit on there, you guys, it's basically clear. You can't even see anything. It's like the same color as my nails, if you see that. So I just love this color all the way around. This is so gorgeous. And then I also got a little miniature Perfume. This is Blooming Bouquet. I already have the bigger one here. Now I have the little one, so it does come with this one here. You'll get all of these inside of that beauty ritual that I just shared with you. And then I have the bigger one here already. So now I can take this one with me. And then I don't know what this is. This is my first time using this. This is Le Serum. This is a serum, and this is by Dior as well. So it does come with this as well. You'll get that inside of your beauty ritual bag, and you can take that with you. So it's a perfect on the go type of bag. You just put all your things in here. I love it because inside it's lined, so you can wipe it with like a wipe if you got makeup on it or anything like that. It's not material. It seems like it's like a, I don't know, some type of texture that you can just wipe off, almost like a plastic, but not really. So I do love that. And then what else did I get? And then, you know, anytime you order Dior, okay, you can always get, this is my receipt, but you can always write yourself a note or a card, and I always write myself, so proud of you, congratulations, or just some type of what do I always like to call, like an encouraging message to myself, like, girl, you're doing it, okay, keep going. Even the receipt is fancy, okay, even the receipt is fancy, darling. It's fancy. I also picked up this, and I don't even remember what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I'm gifting this to someone. This is the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and this is the beauty ritual as well. This looks like this here. This is what the packaging looks like, white and gold, as I showed you. It's absolutely gorgeous. Do you see that? Just stunning. Oh, okay. And then it looks like this. It comes in this box, so it looks like this here. And then it opens up. Oh, this is nice. I think I'm gonna gift this to someone. I think I'm gonna gift this to someone because I have this for Christmas. How gorgeous is this? So you have your Miss Dior and their Blooming Bouquet. You also have another lip glow, and then you also have a cream rose hand cream. You also have a nourishing hand cream in there as well. Like I stated, all of your beauty needs, your fragrance, beauty, you can find it all on Dior. You can order it online, you guys. I do have some promos in the description box for you to check out. Check out it there. This is my favorite fragrance that I'm currently rocking at the time. I cannot get enough of it. It is super good. If you have not tried it out, now is the time. I would highly encourage you to go to their website. Check it out. Like I said, for the beauty members, you will receive 2 complimentary samples with your order. You also will receive complimentary shipping with your order as well. Like I said, I'll have all of the information in the description box below. And also, you guys, complimentary gift wrapping. So you can take advantage of all of that. Like I said, all of the information will be linked in the description box for you. And those are just a few of the perks of shopping with Dior, you guys. Luxury at your door. There is so many different perks and benefits of shopping with Dior. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Some recommendations that I would recommend, because like I said, they have tons and tons of different gift sets, different gift options. Do not forget to check out their engraving, adding that special touch to someone's Christmas this year. Tons of these can be used as cute stocking stuffers as well. And don't be surprised if you come back and you see the advent calendar here. That's it for this video. I will talk to you in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.